Hello everyone and welcome. I'm doing another food review today. It's been a while since I did a video, but I'm going to be doing beach cliff sardines served in soybean oil. I did two of these before. I did one in water, which I liked, and then another one in Louisiana hot sauce. So I wanted to give it another shot and try this one out. I'm not really sure about soybean oil, so I'm not sure, but I'm going to give it a go and see how it tastes. So let me open it up. A mess. So I gotta be really super careful. Gonna pause it and take a picture of it for you guys. Here it is after I open the can so you can get an idea of what it looks like. Sardines you pretty much know, but here's what it is with soybean oil. So let me get one up and then we can give this a try. Here we go. A lot of oil in the can. I'm gonna try. My first impression, too oily. The oil. It's not terrible, but it's not the greatest sardines I ever had. I think out of the three that I tried so far, the water's the best. Then maybe the Louisiana hot sauce, and then this one's third place so far. Like, it's edible, but it's not. It just tastes too much oil, like the soybeans. You can see it dripping off. I mean, it's definitely eatable. Oh, and it's just too kind of thick for me. It just has that, like, I don't know. It tastes too, like, kind of strong. I can't even describe it. It's like, I guess it's like when you cook eggs or something, in my particular case, and you use so much cooking oil, and you can actually taste the oils on the eggs. That's basically what this is. It seems like it just takes pour a whole bunch of cooking oil on it, but that's me. I mean, like I said, it's not terrible, but it's just a little bit too strong. Let's give it one more bite. Again, you can see it dripping off of it. I mean, it's not like if out of 5, I give it a 2.5. Cause like I said, it's eatable, and it's not terrible. I definitely had worse things in my life, but a little bit too oily. But would I get this again? I mean, yes, I would. I mean, if I'm hungry, because like I said, it's not terrible, but it's not the greatest, but it's bearable. So yes, I would get it again. I give it a 2 out of 5, 2.5 out of 5. But if you guys have this, ever had this one particular one, beach cliffs and soybean oil, let me know what you guys think of it. And I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. See you guys soon. Bye.